Vijay from Mass Communication. I'm again with another video. You can see guys, I have the pack in front of me, so I'm gonna show you some new things indeed. These are bought from Shein. Shein is a really good website or company here in Europe. You can buy almost everything in Shein and they have good discount, they have good product, but the price is very cheap. You can buy from United States, Europe, wherever you are. So this bag I have bought in very cheap in Shein. So without further ado, let me take this off. See, beautiful, lovely pack, very lovely cotton. They send you a cotton pack, and I take this off. It's something as a Jeep brand. Look at this guys, beautiful pack, beautiful handle, a small pack to take a tablet, earpod, phone, different things inside, very easy. You have the handle, you can see here, it's connected with the tape. I can take this off. Here we go. Lovely. You can see the belt, long belt, or you have handle. Here you have one place, a small one. They put some foam inside, so you can put money, whatever you like. This size you have can go some small phone as well. So lovely is magnet. Lovely. Here you have another pack. This for phone or money bag, or whatever you like to put inside, you can put very easily. You have the main pack, main chain, main zip here. Let me open here. See, we have ear pack inside. You see, lovely. You have one side here, another side you have some zip as well inside. You want, you open the zip, you can put many things. I smell this one, it has the smell of leather, pure leather, very light version of leather it is. You can see here brand name here, Wixa, but I bought from Shein. They sell every good brand from China, cheap and affordable price, but very high quality product. This is iPod mini, 7.9 inches, almost 8. What is the size? So you can put and carry away this type of product very easily. Behind we have another zip. You open here, so you can put anything very fast, easily. So very lovely looking pack. So you can carry this type of product easily. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.